Question number 2. Masses P and Q are measured to be 30 plus or minus 1 gram and 20 plus or minus 1 gram. Uncertainties are given. Which of the following expressions gives the least percentage uncertainty? Least percentage uncertainty. So what we need to do? Let us find for P plus Q. For P plus Q, it is something like this. Let us say if I give you, let me just scroll it a little back. Let's get some space. If I say y is equal to P plus Q, I will show for only one of them. So I can now write delta y by y is nothing but delta P plus delta Q divided by P plus Q, which will be what? Delta P is 1, delta Q is 1, P plus Q should be 50. So this should be equal to 2 by 50. So therefore, for this one, the uncertainty, relative uncertainty is seen to be 2 by 50, which is equal to 1 by 25. Similarly, if I do for P minus Q also, what will happen? The errors cannot be subtracted. Errors will always be added. So this will become 2 divided by P minus Q. This value can become subtracted. So what I can do is I can write P minus Q would be 30 minus 20, which should be 10. This should becomes 1 by 5 over here. And P into Q. So what will happen for P into Q? This will become delta P by P plus delta Q by Q. What is delta P by P? 1 by 30. What is delta Q by Q? 1 by 20. This is your delta P, this is your delta Q, right? So I'm just writing that. So therefore, this should be equal to, if I take the LCM, so I will get this as 600 divided by 20 plus 30, 50. And if I cancel these two, I get 5 ones are 5 12s are 5 12s are. So answer should be 1 by 12. Now similarly for P by Q, if I do, I get the same answer once again. Delta P by P plus delta Q by Q here, which would now be equal to, since it's same, you get the same answer 1 by 12. Okay. If you are not getting, how did I get this value of CPQ and how to get the uncertainties over here, you can just message me in the group, in the YouTube, this one comments. I will definitely be happy to take up one new lesson on this. Okay. Anyway, so of this, now we got 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 5, 1 by 25. Which is the least of them? 1 by 25 is the least of them, right? Because denominator is higher, 1 by denominator will be lower. So A is the right answer.